Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you what I exactly use for my face pack. So as you can see, here is a bowl of few dried stuff. Now let me tell you what are these. This is actually an orange peel which is dried for approximately 15 days. It also have these are pomegranate skin which is also dried. So this is optional. If you don't have pomegranate, you can just use orange peel. So I'm going to grind this and I'll show you, and then I'll show you what are the next steps. To this powder, I'm going to add a coffee. You can add any coffee of your choice. I'm using a Nescafe. Mix it well and it is ready to use. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Preeti here. So today I'm going to show you what exactly I use for my face. So I generally use homemade face mask. So let's get started. So this is the powdered form that I use. Okay, I've added coffee to this, and now I'm going to take 1 scoop of this in a bowl. I'll take curd, honey. Instead of curd, you can also add kacha milk or raw milk. So now I'm going to start mixing everything. Take this. So I'm going to mix this all, and this is how it looks. So before I start applying this face pack on my face, I'm gonna clean my face with a face wash, or you can also clean it using, or you can also use wipe, anything that you have for cleaning your face, but I prefer using a face wash. So I'm done washing my face. Now I'll start applying my face pack, and we'll come back. You can keep this face pack for almost 15 minutes or till it dries. I like it semi-dry. And then what I do is I try to scrub this face mask on my skin, into my skin, and then I keep it for some more 5 minutes so that the face mask that I'm applying gets soaked into my skin, my pores, and it clears all the dirt from my skin. And then I wash it off, or I take a bath. Do not forget to apply it on your neck and also your ears. That's it. So now I'm gonna wait for at least 5 or 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna take a bath, and I'll come back. Bye bye. Hey guys, so that's how my skin looks right now. I just had my bath, and I'm really sorry for my brows. So I just had my bath, and this is how my skin looks. It feels so fresh. I haven't used a face wash after applying this mask, and it doesn't feel dehydrated or dry. In fact, my skin feels good, and it has shine on my face. I do not feel dryness on my face, and I find my skin a bit clear. I don't know if you can see the shine on my face, but yes, I can still see. And it feels so fresh. One more thing, you can use the same face pack. You can use the same pack on your full body. So what you can do is you can take a bowl, you can add the amount of mask that you want to use. It can work as your body scrubber. So either you add curd or raw milk, or either you can also add water, simple water, and apply it on your full body, and just scrub and wait for 2 minutes, and just just try scrubbing it in a circular motion, and just wait for another 1 minute after scrubbing, and then take a bath. And I assure you, this this will make your skin so good. It will make your skin feel very good. Your skin will start glowing. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this mask. Please make this mask and do share your pictures with me on my Instagram, on Facebook. So bye bye.